right? Number one, what we have here is the graph above shows Marilyn's distance from her campsite during a 3-hour hike. She stopped for 30 minutes during her hike to have lunch. Based on the graph, which of the following is closest to the time she finished lunch and continued to her hike? Okay, so this graph shows her distance from the campsite as time changes. Okay, and then we know she stopped for 30 minutes. All right, so what we have here, you look at the graph, right? When she's eating lunch, that means she's staying at the same place, right? And she's not moving. So during that time period, there shouldn't be any change in terms of the distance, right? So time will go on, but then the distance won't change. So we should be seeing some kind of horizontal line or a flat line during that period, which if you look at the graph, it seems like it's right there, right? So this line I see as a horizontal line. So that means during from here to here, as time goes on, right? So the distance doesn't change. That means she's staying at one place, right? Staying on one spot for this part. Okay, and this is the time where she had lunch, right? Okay, and then what we want here is the question, so which one is closest to the time she finished the lunch and continued her hike? So she finished lunch right here. And from this point on, I see the distance start to increase, right? So she's hiking again. So this time should correspond to here. So it's a little bit more than halfway between 1 and 2 p.m. So a little bit more than 1:30, right? So the best answer, you look at the answer choices, have to be C at 1:40 p.m. So that should be the answer for number one.